Hi everybody, we're going to go ahead and dive into our new accelerated reader program. I think you're going to enjoy it a lot more than the old version. Keep in mind that the STAR program is still the old version, so you'll still have to take that the old traditional way with the little icon that's on the desktop of your computer. This new version is actually a web version or internet version. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to have to do is log into your account and print out a class list so that you'll have student usernames and passwords. You're going to come down here on our website to teacher logins. It's a new shortcut here, Accelerated Reader. And this is actually the same screen for student, teacher, parent. Click on the middle one. Don't be alarmed by this technology notification. It's been coming up on several computers, but so far I've found that the program still functions just fine. Alright, your username and password are going to be the same. I'm going to use my wife's, so it would be K. Hebner, and then K. Hebner again. She's already logged in, so she already had a password created. Now what you're probably going to get is it's going to want you to reset and change that password to something else. This account, that's already been done, so we don't have to do that. So change it to something you can remember. Alright, here's what you're going to do next. Look for the tab Accelerated Reader. That's the only program that we have purchased right now. And you're going to go to Reports, School Management, Student Information. Alright, all of you have just one class right now, so you're just going to click on the class that you have rights to look at. Click View Report. It's going to create a PDF. Okay, looks similar to SAM or one of those other programs. Usernames and passwords should be very similar to some of the other usernames and passwords that we've been using. You may see some students might have a 2 or a 1 or something on the end of their username, so keep a close look of that if that needs to be given to the student so that they know how to log in. Alright, you've gone ahead and printed that out. Let's go ahead and log off, and I'm going to show you how a student would go in to take a quiz. Alright, I am going to go back to our website. Now, students ready to take the quiz, they have their username and password. They are going to go to Student Logins, where they have a new shortcut, and it's the same screen, but just to simplify things, have them go there, and they're going to click on Student. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put a username and password in here for a student. Okay, after the student gets logged in, this is the first screen they're going to see. And they're going to go ahead and choose Take a Quiz. They're going to choose the top selection here, Take a Reading Practice Quiz. And here's where they're going to search for their book that they want to take the quiz on. So they'll need to type in either the title, the author, or if they have the quiz number. I'm going to do a book that I read as a kid, Mike Mulligan. Okay, and I'm going to choose the English version. And here it says select how the book was read, and most of the time it's going to be read independently. And it says, are you sure you want to take this quiz? Yes. Alright, on some browsers you may see that there's a pop-up blocker, and if that's the case, just choose Allow Always on the pop-up blocker depending on which web browser you're using. And the student will go ahead and just take the quiz like they normally would, clicking on the answers. Next. This is a 5-question quiz here. Okay, and then it's going to ask, how did you like this book? And then done. And then you're going to see the score. Also says, would you like to see the questions you answered wrong? And say yes or no. And then it'll take them back to this screen where they can simply log out. Okay, that's basically it as far as the teacher responsibility and getting the class list printed out, and the student taking the quiz. Hope you enjoy this new program. Just email me if you have any questions. Thanks again. Bye.